Hey traders, a quick heads up here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and what to expect next from here. At this point, I'm still expecting a price to push down further and I'm expecting a good pullback from 1.618 retracement right here. Once the price hit 1.618 retracement, then I'm expecting few green candles and then a continuation towards the downside. I'll look for my sell trades only with bearish engulfer after few green candles. Once I have that a condition, I will only look for sell opportunities. Nice one. So as you can see, the price successfully hit 1.618 retracement and we also have our take profit hit right at the break. We entered. If you entered in a less aggressive way, that would be your take profit hit if you have seen my last few videos. So at this point, like I said, we can expect a few green candles from 1.618 retracement. The reason I'm saying we can get a pullback from 1.618 retracement because 1.618 retracement normally act as a level of support or a resistance when using Fibonacci tool, and I have a reason to plot my Fibonacci tool. I have my rules met. That's why I've plotted Fibonacci tool. So that is why I'm now expecting few green candles from here. We can either get a retest of 20 EMA and then we can get next candle as a bearish engulfing candle. If we have no bearish engulfing candle at 20 EMA, then we can get a push up to 50 EMA and then bearish engulfing pattern. In any case, I just want to see few green candles that must happen below 50 EMA followed by a bearish engulfing pattern. Doesn't matter if it hit 20 EMA or not, but it is likely we can get a pullback from here. Bearish engulfer, if we have that, we have a very good condition which I call a pullback entry. In that case, we will go short and keep on taking shots until the price hit the level here in green, which I've mentioned in my yesterday's videos. Right here 1.955 goes down to 1.819. We have a buying zone here from where we will enter our buying trade. Engulfers, double bottoms, pin bars, all these are my entry conditions. So right here I'm expecting a pullback from here and then I will enter another short bearish engulfing pattern will be my sell signal. So exactly the same here on currency.com, and as you can see, the price has now started to give us a pullback and now expecting a pullback of few green candles followed by a bearish engulfer and take short until we hit the level here in green. Wherever it hit first on Wanda or currency.com, I will enter my trade 2.141. that goes down to 2.017 from where we will enter buy trade. Engulfers, double bottoms or pin bars are my entry condition. So keep an eye here, and once we have a condition, we are good to go short again. So bearish for net gas. Right here we have gold. So what do we have? Price has now hit 50 EMA at this point. If we have a next candle as a bearish engulfing candle, that will be a sell signal. I'm not using this big bearish candle and a bullish candle because that was just a gap up opening, some glitch here on Wanda data, because if you look at the other charts, we did not get any sort of glitch here, and that happened here on Wanda when the market was closed. So that is why I'm ignoring this candle in case if you are a student or learning my full MMTA course. So I'm still paying attention to this swing low, then I'm looking for a bearish engulfer. If we have a bearish engulfer here, we have a sell signal. I'm going to go short again, use one ATR for the target, whatever the ATR is. Currently is $11. So if we have a condition, $11 will be our take profit. So keep an eye here, broken above 50 EMA. In that case, we have a change in trend and then we will only look for buying conditions. So for now, as long as we are below 50 EMA, we are only look for sell condition, just looking for bearish engulfing candle right here. So for silver, I'm still bearish. As you can see, price is trading nicely below 50 and 20 EMA. I'm still expecting a push up to 50 EMA and then bearish engulfing candle, and that will be my entry condition. Once we have that, we are good to go short. Right here we had a strategy which my students are learning. If you see that, we have a nice U-turn strategy. Right here is a good example of that strategy. I have not tested silver, but that is a good example just to show you. Last one, we have crude oil. So if you have seen my yesterday's video, I've said that we had a bearish signal right here and we are not entering any buy trades until we are broken above the previous high, which did not happen, and price has fallen down and now heading towards the level of major resistance I pointed out yesterday and to my members in the commodities zones report. So 66.22 goes up to 68.44 will be my buying area from where we're going to enter buy trade with engulfers, double bottoms, pin bars. If we have a pin bar, the way I enter pin bar is I enter few pips above so that if the price reverses, we are not involved in the trade. So that is how I entered the pin bar. If you have aggressive entry, if you have a bullish engulfer, in that case I enter straight away using market orders. So that is what I'm looking at for commodities. Hope you're getting value out of my videos. If you're learning something out of it, do not forget forget to hit a like button if you're new, subscribe so that we can all trade together and so that you won't miss a daily updates. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.